welcome back to my channel. Sorry for my voice and my appearance. I am still recovering. I had the flu, a double ear infection, and a sinus infection. Yay for teaching and being around children. So I am still recovering, so I still got a stifle, you know, I'm not 100% there. I'm not. But I did get both of my Boxycharm boxes for this month, so I did want to go ahead and film a Boxycharm unboxing for y'all. So I got the regular box, which is now $25 a month. It's not 21 anymore, it's 25, and you're guaranteed 5 full-size items that equal over $100 dollars in value. It might be 125. I'll put it somewhere on the screen. And then I also got the Boxycharm Premium, which you can see the size difference. This is like massive. This is almost the size of like Boxy Luxe. And I like that it's a matte box now. I don't know. That's just me. I like a good matte black. Like, that's just my aesthetic. But this is Boxycharm Premium, and it is $35 a month. And you cannot get Premium unless you have a regular subscription. And there is no overlap. They're very good about that. And as of right now, you cannot have the Premium without having the regular. But eventually that might change, is what they've said. So we'll see. But Premium is, like I said, $35 a month, and you're guaranteed over $175 in value for the extra $10. And like I said, there's no overlap. So I went ahead and got both of them. We'll see how they are. December is going to be a big Boxycharm month because I'm getting regular, Premium, and Luxe, I believe. So we'll see. It's like Boxycharm is taking over my life, but that's okay. So yeah, I've got a few of the products on my face today. I got the box yesterday and was like, why not try it? I've been trying some of the Premium because it came earlier. So I'll just let you know what I think about the products that I've been trying too. And we'll just go from there. So I will start out with the regular box because I know that that's what most people get and got. Oh, sorry I sound so ill. But like I said, this is $25 a month, and this month's theme was Boxycharm Stellar, and they do have the foldable card. The first thing, the thing that everybody got or should have gotten was the, I'm so sorry, I'm so sick, is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder palette, and this is a smaller version of the Celestial Storm palette. Dominique, the Dominique Cosmetics, I have the Latte palette, and I want to get the other two that she's come out with, like the Berries and Cream, and there's another one. It's one of my favorite palettes. The Latte palette is incredible. The formula is great. I love it. So I'm super excited to get this, and I will open it up for you. It does come with a mirror, but on the inside, it's definitely a little bit more colorful. You do have some warmer tones that are a little bit more wearable. You have a really cool tone and your 2 pops of color. And today I'm actually wearing this palette on my eyes. I do have this Zero Gravity, this gray, as well as this Eternal Light on my lid, which is like a glittery pop. So I really like this. I'll continue to use it and see how I feel about it. But like I said, the Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes are one of my favorites, so I was super excited to get this in there, and it retails for $35. The next thing that I got was this Kypris Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. I used this for the first time last night. So essentially this is just like a hydrating serum with antioxidants. I have completely changed my skincare. I don't think I've talked about that in a video, but it's like I turned 25 and things just changed on my face. They were like, you cannot be doing the same things you've been doing to me. You got to change it. So I was excited to get this and try it. I like it so far. Skincare is one of those things you kind of have to test for a while, but this retails for $90. Love getting expensive skincare in boxes because I like nice skincare, but I'm not spending $90 on a serum. I'm too poor for that. So I was excited to get this, and I'll continue to try it. Like it so far. The next thing was this Dose of Colors matte liquid lipstick, and Dose of Colors is one of my favorite liquid lipstick formulas. Okay, Sorry, I'm like sniffling my nose and I hate that. I got the shade Date Night, and it's a very vibrant red. I saw one that some people were getting, and I was so hoping I would get it. It was like called Charmer or something like that, and it was a darker red, which is definitely more my aesthetic than like a fiery red. But this is it. It's very pretty. It is still, it's more of a cool tone red, and it is still deeper, but that is it. It's beautiful, and like I said, I like the Dose of Colors formula, so I'll get some use out of that. And then the next thing I got were these Starry Eye Indulgent Self-Warming Eye Mask, and it warms up in 30 seconds. I'm excited to try these. I will be trying them tonight. I'm going to be in the bath, glass of wine, eye mask, living my best life. But these retail for $10, so $5 each. I love getting face masks, sheet masks, eye masks, things like that, because these are like indulgent things. You know, they make you feel bougie and extra. So I was excited to get those as well. Okay, and then the last thing that I got in my regular box was the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. And this is not something I would have paid full price for. This retails for $30. And it's just like, I don't really know if the gold in here does anything. It's got like flecks of gold, and it's just a setting spray. The packaging is incredible and like luxe. I don't, like I said, there's little flecks of gold. I don't know if they're going to do anything. I would probably use this more as a prepping spray instead of like a setting spray. But I'm excited to get this. And they put this in there for people that got premium so that you wouldn't have overlap with another product. But I was excited about that as well. So overall, I thought this box was great. Super excited about it. Love it. Did not disappoint. And let me tell you what it's worth. Okay, so the regular box this month, the one that you pay $25 for, retails at $100. Like the retail value is $192 for everything in the box. So that's awesome. It's great. Like I said, I'm really excited about the box and excited to use the stuff, and I've already started using some of it. I will say they did have this little undercover, it's a complexion sampling system. They are going to start putting complexion products in Boxycharm, or they want to, and so they're sending out these pamphlets so that you can test out, see what color is yours, and then go from there. This is the Pretty Vulgar Lightweight Concealer. So now to move on to Boxycharm Premium, this Maxim box. Okay, like I said, this retails for $35, and I will just go ahead and tell you what I got in my box. So the first thing that came in my Boxycharm Premium was the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow Palette. Okay, she has a bronze version of this, and that's actually the one that I've been eyeing and like really wanting to buy for myself. But I got this, so I was excited to try it and test it. This is what the packaging looks like. I used this today. That is the inside. You've got two cream products, which are protected by this little like plastic protector, which a lot of her, I have some other products, and anything that has cream, she does have this protective barrier on, which I do love and appreciate. And then you've got two products down here. One is like an extreme glow. It's supposed to be like a highlight, and this is supposed to be like a blush or a blush topper. I used both as a highlight today. That's what's on my cheeks. I did not use the cream products. I am not a huge fan of cream products, but I will try these out eventually. I just tend to, powder's just easier for me. But this retails for $55, and Natasha Denona is a bougie brand. So I'm so excited to get this in there. I think that's awesome. I would love to see some of her like 5-pan eyeshadow palettes in here. I know they're only 5 pans and they're worth like $60-ish, but still, it's an awesome thing to get in a box. So I'd be excited to get more from Natasha Denona. The next thing that I got, I don't have the box for it anymore because I've already been using it. This is the QMS Instant Eye Care, or Intensive Eye Care, sorry. And this is just like a typical moisturizer for your under eyes. This retails for $150. Excuse me, let's just talk about how expensive that is. I've been using it for about a week now, and I like it. It's a good under eye cream. I don't think I love it as much as I love my Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream, which is literally only $35, I think. This is good. I'll use it. It'll keep me from having to buy an eye cream for a while because it is a generous size, but I don't notice that it does anything extravagant, so I don't know where that price is coming in. The next thing that I got in Boxy Premium, this is the Kopari Coconut Rose toner, and this is it outside of the package, and I've been using this as well. I love this. I love to use facial sprays like this after I actually spray it before and after I put on my hyaluronic acid, because if you don't know, hyaluronic acid is something where it either pulls moisture out of the air and into your skin or out of your skin. It's going to pull moisture from somewhere. So I spray this on before so that it glides on easier, and I spray it on after so that it's pulling moisture out of the air and sucking it into my skin. I do like this. It does have a faint coconut smell. It's a little bit more rose, but it does have like a coconut rose smell, and I do like it, and this retails for $25. I probably would not buy this again though, I'll tell you that, and I would just stick with my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. You get like twice as much product for half the price. The next thing in the box was from Dragon Beauty, which is Nikita Dragon's brand, and this is the Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion, and it is actually a color corrector. It is very orange and very pigmented. I will put it on the back of my hand so you can see it. Somebody in a group was talking about how they thought this was a liquid lipstick, and they were like, it's the ugliest color for a liquid lipstick. I actually love it. It's like a good burnt orange. But this is the shade when you put it on your face. Now, I will say, if you are a darker skin tone, this is going to be great. If you're more fair in skin tone, you're literally just going to have to use the tiniest amount, and then you blend it out. And because it is an orangey pinky tone, that's it, blend it out. It's going to be good for darkness, so under your eyes or around your mouth if you have darkness. I used this today under my eyes, and I just did like one dot under my eyes and then really worked on blending it out. I don't know that it's my favorite. I still love my Becca Under Eye Corrector a whole lot more than this, but this was also just the first time testing it out. It is very matte in finish, and it didn't disrupt any of my other products, so I'll continue to test it out and see what I think. But yeah, I think it's exciting to get an indie brand like that that's an influencer brand in a box, just like the Kristen Dominique. Alright, and then the next thing in the box was this 5-piece brush set from Boxycharm. Okay, and this retails for $65. Okay, so in this 5-piece brush set, this is what they put the Farsali in the regular box for people who had both, so that you wouldn't have overlap, because in the regular box were 2 of the brushes, and then if you got premium, you got the 5-piece brush set. So it comes with, they're already shedding and I haven't even used them. It comes with a bigger brush. This is more like for powder or foundation is what it is suggested for. And then they have a smaller brush, which this could be good for contour or concealer. I don't know, it's still pretty big for concealer. I would say more for like contour. And then you get a medium-sized brush, or I guess it's little, right? Large, medium, little, yeah. This is a little brush, and this would probably be more for concealer. They are pretty like thick still. They're like oval shaped. And then you have like a blending brush for your eyeshadow, and then something that is more like a smudging brush is what a lot of people have said. I think this could work for like nose contour too, to like place your line, and then you could buff it out. I honestly use like the same brushes every day, and then I have my brushes in my kit for like clients and stuff. So I don't know that I honestly love these enough that I would keep them. They might be in a future giveaway. And I think that Boxycharm really overestimated the value in saying that these are worth $65. I don't doubt that they're nice, and they do have that nice little like divot for your hand to put in so that you could use it. But, and I also like that the ferrule is tapered. I just don't know that they're worth $65 in my opinion. And they just came in this little pouch. I don't think that it's bad. I think yay for Boxycharm for doing something on their own, you know. It's good. I just don't know that it's worth $65. And then the last thing in my box this month was the Becca Glow Gloss in Champagne Cream. And this is actually what I have on my lips right now on top of some lip liner and lipstick. And this is the shade. It is a beautiful, I mean, champagne gold shade with shimmer. It is more, you can, ooh, y'all, if that's been going on the whole time, bless my soul. It is a little sticky. It is more of an opaque gloss than I thought, and it is light. I think that's why my lips look so light. So if they look like concealer lips, I apologize. But I was excited to try this. I like Becca, and I wanted to try the lip gloss, but I wasn't ever going to pay the $22 that this retails for. So I was excited to get it in a box and try it out and see if I like it. And I do. I don't think I need any more. I will say, though, the lip gloss that I got in last month's box, that Iconic London, I think is what it was, lip gloss. Didn't know how I'd feel about it. Let me just report to you, best gloss ever. I seriously love it. I'm obsessed with it. So that was like a really good find for me. Everything in here would retail for $342. So there is a $150 price difference between the two boxes. I had to do that. Okay. And you pay $10 extra for Boxycharm Premium. Now, do I think that you need both? No. But if you're a makeup hoarder like me, then why not, right? $25 a month, $192 in value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products, and you get to pick one. And I picked the Kypris antioxidant dew cream instead of something else. It was skincare related. And then in premium, it was worth $300 and something, 342, I think, 340 something. Look, I can't remember for the life of me. And I also got to pick, no, I did not get to pick anything in this box, but in future boxes you should be able to pick, is what they say. So, I love it. I'm glad I have both. I'll continue to get both for a little bit, and we'll see how it goes. But yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know what you got in your Boxycharm this month, if you get Boxycharm. And thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you want to see next. I am planning to do quite a few videos in the month of December. Fingers crossed if everything works out. I'm going to pre-film some while I'm home for Thanksgiving with some people, so that you have more content without just me. Like, it's more people, so it'll be fun. It'll be different. We'll see. So yeah, I guess I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye guys.